welcome back to more Mansa. It is your boy Mansa, man. We bike again with another reaction video, guys. Look, man, I'm Zanzi A-Lister. Explain. Police probe SHEBESHXT's car accident for culpable homicide. Culpable homicide. I'm guessing that they're saying that like he's getting charged for, you know what I'm saying, the passing of the people in, or I don't know if there's multiple people, whatever. He's getting charged for, you know what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and check this out, man. I know you're supposed to have a light video. Let's get it.
So, on some news, reports suggest that the police are now probing SHEBESHXT's car accident that left his daughter dead for culpable homicide. According to Sunday World sources, Polokwane police have contacted the artist's family and requested a statement in relation to the crash. They also informed the family that they wanted to obtain a statement from him and his girlfriend regarding the incident, also stating that they wanted to draw blood from the artist to check his sobriety status when that crash occurred. To explain this simply, culpable homicide are actions or inactions / omissions that lead.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Unlawful negligence of killing of a human being. Equivalent of involuntary manslaughter.
Lead to someone's death, often without intention, because the main difference between murder and culpable homicide is the fact that with murder, you have the intention to kill, whereas with culpable homicide, there may not be intention necessarily. However, there should be negligence from a reasonable person's perspective. The test to prove negligence is an objective test measured against the conduct of a reasonable person. In other words, would a reasonable person have taken steps to guard against the consequences? To explain this further, driving while under the influence of alcohol is something that a reasonable person would not do. And as such, you can be held liable for your child's death if it was a result of you driving while under the influence, as it passes the test of negligence.
That's why we accident.
And that was the state versus John. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. That was in 1972. There are multiple videos of this guy driving with his daughter without a seatbelt, which may land him in jail. If the same was the case this time, as a reasonable parent would make sure that the child is wearing a seatbelt in the car that is moving. In this case, however, we don't really know the specifics, other than the alcohol part which is being reported. But Zanzi A-Listers has made a video before on how SHEBESHXT's actions
could face 10 years maximum prison for intimidation
of threatening people could have led him to jail. And many people thought we were hating and actually left a lot of negative comments. But we went, and although not the same, his actions of recklessness came back to bite him. In terms of the law, there is no prescribed sentence for culpable homicide, and it is entirely up to the courts and judge to decide. However, we have seen many cases go above 10 years. But of course, losing a child can be seen as enough punishment and maybe lead to a reduced sentence. Or a different judge may think that the child would be alive had it not been for you and your actions and want to punish you. However, the chances of this case going anywhere may be low due to the lack of evidence given the nature of the accident, unless if, of course, the blood tests come back positive.
But I just feel like the other thing was that who was involved. Like where was that? Like, is it their fault? Was it their fault that like, were they driving on the wrong side of the road? Like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like there's more that goes into it other than what just happened in SHEBESHXT's car. Like, was it that the truck came, like swerved over into the other lane, bow? You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like there's more to it. You can't just say, oh, it's SHEBESHXT's fault because SHEBESHXT was this. Like, it didn't happen if the other truck didn't swerve over. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know how the truck or the car, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, like, hypothetically, if the truck swerved over into the other lane, like, you feel me? But comment down below y'all thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. Again, prayers to SHEBESHXT and his family and the whole situation. It's just very, very unfortunate. Yeah, man. And I think I heard that he didn't lose his foot, leg, or something like that. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's not facts. It's not factual. I don't know. It's just what I seen, what I heard. But look, man, comment down below y'all thoughts, man. I hope you guys enjoyed your comment. Smell like something. Peace.